Chapter 10, Sloka 2. Name Vidusuraganaha. Name Vidusuraganaha. Name Vidusuraganaha. Prabhavannamaharshayah. 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 Name Vidusuraganaha. 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 Prabhavannamaharshayah. Ahamadirhi Devanam. Ahamadirhi Devanam. Ahamadirhi Devanam. Maharshīnāṃ ca sarvaṣah. Maharshīnāṃ ca sarvaṣah. Maharshīnāṃ ca sarvaṣah. Ahamadirhi Devanam. 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 Maharshīnāṃ ca sarvaṣah. Name Vidusuraganaha. Prabhavannamaharshayah. Ahamadirhi Devanam. Maharshīnāṃ ca sarvaṣah.
Please like and share this video because you could be instrumental in helping someone around the world recite the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, thereby helping them to have a life of unending opulence, victory and prosperity. This is mentioned in chapter 18, Sloka 78. Yes, don't forget to buy my book, Leadership Can Be Child's Play. Namaste.